channel of Unbiased Review. Today we're gonna review a Milzy.com website. Is it a legit or a scam? Guys, please note, as this website is not ours, we are here to make your purchase easy and simple by making you aware from the scams. This is the homepage of the website. These are some of the products displayed on the home screen, which is related to the women clothing. You can also check the newly collection and a summer fall collection, that is discounted products. Let's check the other navigations like contact us, about us, shipping policy, return and exchange policy, and the privacy concern things. You can check this newsletter. For make your purchase possible, you have to subscribe for the personal details by filling it into the website. Now moving to the shipping information. This website will take 3 to 5 days to process your purchase. You can also see within 6 to 20 working days, your product will be at your doorstep. Please note, due to COVID-19, shipping timing may take extra 5 to 7 days. There is some verification, processing, shipping. They had shown the shipping methods. You can check it out. Now moving to the return and exchange. "30 days return and free shipping warranty. After placing a purchase or purchase request, or you can say a return request, you will receive a response within 1 to 3 working days from this website or their customer support services. Exchange and return policy. Exchange and refund policy. This website resend you the new package within 72 hours after the customer service team confirm your exchange. Package returned. They had mentioned a customer service team where you can ask for further inquiry, info@milzy.com. Now moving to the privacy concern things like registration and ordering, privacy security from third parties, data retention, changes, and the contact us. Now it's a primary concern for any customer, the contact us page. You can see this page has shown you the contact us information like info@milzy.com, and the other information is not mentioned on this website. As you can see, now moving to the conclusion, as you can see, this website does not carry any contact information, which is primary concern for any buyer. I recommended not to buy from this website as it seems a scam. I personally advise to the online user to stay away from the untrustworthy website because you can trap or risk from it. If you find this video informative, kindly like and share as well as subscribe to this channel. Also share your experience by commenting on the below. For more updates of legit and scams reviews of the website, please hit the bell icon and please stay safe and healthy. Thank you and have a nice day.